Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content. Good morning. How did you sleep?
I slept like a log, thanks for asking. And you?
Not bad, but I woke up a couple of times. Need some coffee to wake up fully.
Definitely. I can't start my day without it.
Want anything to eat with your coffee?
Just a muffin would be great.
How's the weather looking today?
Looks like it's going to rain later. I hope remembered to bring my umbrella.
Did you finish that report for work?
Yes, finally. It took me longer than I thought. I know the feeling deadlines can be stressful.
Have you heard the news about the upcoming event?
No, what's happening?
There's a festival downtown this weekend.
Sounds like fun. We should go check it out.
What are your plans for tonight?
I might just stay in and watch a movie.
Sounds relaxing. Any recommendations? How about that new comedy everyone's talking about?
Oh yeah, I heard it's hilarious.
Did you hear about Sarah's new job?
Yeah, she's been working really hard for it. I'm happy for her. She deserves it.
What's for dinner tonight?
I was thinking of making spaghetti.
Sounds delicious. Can I help with anything?
Sure, can you chop up some veggies?
How was your day at school?
It was okay, but I had a lot of homework. I remember those days. Hang in there.
What's on your mind?
I've been thinking about our vacation plans.
Me too. I can't wait to relax on the beach. Did you hear that noise outside?
Yeah, I think it's just the neighbors.
Should we check it out?
Nah, it's probably nothing. I'm thinking of redecorating the living room.
That sounds like a great idea. Any specific style in mind?
I was thinking of going for a more modern look.
Have you seen those new lamps at the store?
No, but I'll check them out online.
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thanks. Did you have a good day at work?
It was hectic, but productive. How about you?
Not bad, just the usual routine. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really, just catching up on some reading.
Sounds relaxing. Minded I join you?
Of course not. The more, the merrier.
What's your favorite book genre?
I enjoy a good mystery novel. How about you?
I prefer fantasy. It's an escape from reality. How was your workout today?
It was tough, but I feel great now. I should start exercising more regularly.
Want to go for a jog together tomorrow?
That sounds like a plan. I could use the motivation.
Did you catch the game last night?
Yeah, it was a close one, but our team won.
I missed it. Who scored the winning goal?
It was James in the last few minutes.
I'll have to watch the highlights later. Do you have any plans for the holidays?
Not yet, but I'm thinking of visiting family. Family gatherings are always so much fun.
How's your new pet adjusting to its new home?
It's still a bit nervous, but getting better. It takes time for them to feel comfortable.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
Cats are so independent, aren't they?
Yeah, but they can be affectionate too, in their own way.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like a bit of everything, but mostly rock. Rock music always gets me pumped up.
Have you been to any concerts lately?
Not recently, but I'd love to go to one soon. Let's plan one together.
Sounds like a plan. Any band in mind? How about the one that's coming to town next month?
Oh yeah, I've heard they put on an amazing show.
I can't wait to see them live. Did you hear about the new restaurant that opened?
Yes, I heard it's got great reviews. We should definitely check it out sometime.
I'm craving some sushi. Want to go with me?
I'm not a huge fan of sushi, but I'll go for the company.
Great. We can try something else on the menu. Have you been keeping up with the news lately?
Not really, it's been so busy lately. It's important to stay informed though.
I know, I'll try to make more time for it. How's your project coming along?
It's coming together slowly but surely.
Let me know if you need any help.
Thanks, I might take you up on that offer.
Do you have any plans for the summer?
I'm hoping to go on a road trip with friends. Road trips are always so much fun.
I can't wait to hit the open road. How do you like your eggs in the morning?
I like them scrambled with cheese.
Scrambled eggs are my favorite too. Do you have any allergies I should know about?
No, I'm good. Thanks for asking.
I have a peanut allergy, so I have to be careful.
I'll make sure not to include any peanuts in the dish.
Have you been to that new art gallery downtown?
Not yet, but I've heard it's really impressive. We should go check it out this weekend.
I'd love to. I've been meaning to see it. How's your family doing?
They're doing well, thanks for asking. I should call my parents soon, it's been a while.
Family time is always important.
I know, I'll make sure to call them tonight.
What's your favorite thing to do on a lazy Sunday?
I like to curl up with a good book and some tea.
That sounds so cozy. Mind if I join you?
Not at all. The more, the merrier.
Did you watch that new series everyone's talking about?
No, I haven't had the chance yet.
We should binge watch it together sometime. That sounds like a plan. Popcorn included?
Of course. Can't have a binge watch without popcorn.
How's your new job going?
It's challenging, but I'm learning a lot.
That's great to hear. I know you'd excel.
Thanks. Your support means a lot to me.
What's the best advice you've ever received?
It's to always stay true to yourself.
That's solid advice. I try to live by it too. Have you been to that new cafe around the corner?
Yes, it's become my new favorite spot. We should go there for brunch sometime.
I'd love to. Their menu looks amazing. What's your favorite thing to do in your free time?
I enjoy going for long walks in the park.
Nature has a way of refreshing the soul, doesn't it?
It sure does. It's like hitting the reset button.
How do you like your steak cooked?
I like it medium rare. How about you?
Same here. Anything more than that is overcooked. Do you have any plans for the evening?
Just relaxing at home with a good book.
Sounds like a perfect way to unwind after a long day. Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.